tragedy in Mindanao. Fire is still raging in Mount Apo after breaking out on Black Saturday. Ben Tashorna has the latest from Davao City. What's the update, Ben?
Karen, it has been more than 40 hours since the fire started in Mount Apo. As of this hour, authorities are still trying to put it out to prevent the fire from spreading. The fire started Saturday afternoon, affecting at least 100 hectares of land near the peak of the mountain. Davao City Central 911 Emergency Head Emmanuel Haldon said, the situation is already dangerous. Authorities earlier looked into using air assets, but it wasn't possible because of the unavailability of the necessary firefighting equipment. For now, the plan is to send firefighters up into the mountain and contain the fire by digging fire trenches to prevent its spread. All fire stations in the region were also asked to send at least 2 personnel to Mount Apo to help fight the forest fire. No injuries have been reported and no climbers have been accounted for. Unconfirmed reports say there were about 3 climbers in the peak of Mount Apo and 1 died. When the fire started around 1 in the afternoon last Saturday, the climbers were said to be cooking their food using wood instead of the usual portable gas stove. It's still unclear if the 3 mountain climbers caused the fire. Holy Week is the busiest time of the year, as thousands of climbers from all over the country and other parts of the world climb the Philippines' tallest mountain. This year, though, authorities have limited the number of mountain climbers to only 1,000 for the Holy Week climb. This is due to the El Niño phenomenon affecting Mindanao, posing fire risk in Mount Apo. Cotabato Governor Emilio Balino Mendoza calls the incident reprehensible. She's calling on the people responsible for the fire to come forward and face the consequences of their actions, and for anyone who has information on the incident to report to the authorities. Karen?
Thank you, Ben. That was Ben Tashorna reporting from Davao City.